Unlock the ultimate solution for your supplement product labels. Our fully editable supplement facts label template in Adobe Illustrator is designed to ensure compliance with US FDA requirements, saving you time and effort while maintaining a professional look. Here we have the template open in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, the design is clean, professional, and fully customizable. This template includes all the necessary elements to ensure your label meets US FDA guidelines. Let's start by editing the text. You can easily click on any text field and type in your specific product information. For example, let's change the serving size to 2 capsules. Next, we'll update the nutrient values. Simply select the text box and enter the correct numbers for your product. This ensures your label provides accurate information. Now, let's customize the colors to match your brand.